Welcome to Easy Driver, the most reliable source of automotive information on YouTube. Please like, share, comment and subscribe. How to test and maintain trailer truck safety systems, a step-by-step guide. Every mile counts when you're hauling heavy loads, and so does every safety check. Trailer truck safety systems protect drivers, cargo, and everyone on the road, but they're useless if they're not tested and maintained. Skip these steps, and you risk breakdowns, fines, or worse. This video walks through how to keep safety systems in top shape, from brakes to lights, so you can hit the road with confidence. No fluff, just clear steps to stay compliant and avoid costly surprises. Understanding trailer truck safety systems. Trailer trucks rely on multiple safety systems working together. Think of them as a well-coordinated team. When one system fails, the others compensate, but only up to a point. Regular checks are non-negotiable. Braking systems. Brakes are the first line of defense, especially when hauling heavy loads. Worn pads or leaks in air pressure can turn an emergency stop into a nightmare. Here's what to focus on. Air pressure. Low pressure reduces braking power. Test for leaks by listening for hissing sounds or using soapy water on connections. Brake pads and drums. Inspect for cracks, uneven wear, or thinning below 1/4 inch. Replace immediately if damaged. Hoses and fittings. Cracked or kinked hoses restrict airflow. Replace any with visible wear. ABS, anti-lock braking system. Modern trucks use ABS to prevent wheel lockup. Check the dashboard warning light during startup. If it stays on, get it serviced. Lighting and electrical systems. Lights aren't just for seeing, they're for being seen. A burnt-out turn signal or dim brake light can cause confusion or crashes in traffic. Test these nightly before hitting the road. Headlights and taillights. Look for cracked lenses or dim bulbs. Swap them out if they flicker. Turn signals and hazards. Walk around the truck while a partner activates each signal. Reflective tape. Peeling or faded tape reduces visibility. Clean or replace it every few months. A quick trick? Park near a reflective surface like a garage door to check light solo. Tire maintenance. Tires do more than roll, they grip, stabilize, and even save fuel. Ignore them, and blowouts become a costly gamble. Watch for the following. Tread depth. Use the penny test. Lincoln's head upside down. If you see all of his head, replace the tire. Inflation. Underinflated tires overheat. Check pressure cold, before driving, with a heavy-duty gauge. Wear patterns. Uneven wear suggests alignment issues. Look for bald spots or feathering along edges. A well-maintained tire lasts longer and improves fuel efficiency by up to 3%. That's money staying in your pocket. Step-by-step testing procedures. Keeping your trailer truck safe isn't just about inspections, it's about testing systems the right way. Skipping steps can lead to hidden failures. Follow these methods to verify everything works before each trip. Pre-trip inspection checklist. Start with a walk-around. Missing small issues now can turn into big problems later. Here's what to check and how. Fluid levels. Engine oil, coolant, brake fluid, and power steering should hit the marked lines. Low-level strain systems. Tire pressure. Use a heavy-duty gauge on cold tires. Adjust to the manufacturer's specs, don't eyeball it. Coupling mechanisms. Look for cracks in the fifth wheel or loose pins. Tug test the trailer to ensure it's locked. Belts and hoses. Press on belts. They should flex about ½ inch. Check hoses for bulges or soft spots. Document findings. Use a checklist or app. Note even minor issues. They help spot trends before repairs get expensive. Park on level ground for this. Gravity doesn't lie about fluid levels. Conducting a brake test. Brakes can feel fine until they're not. Test them 2 ways. Static test, engine off. Release the parking brake and let air pressure build, around 100,125 psi. Press the brake pedal hard. It should hold firm for 1 minute without sinking. Listen for air leaks. Hissing means trouble. Dynamic test. Slow drive in a safe area. Accelerate to 5-10 miles per hour. Apply brakes firmly. The truck should stop straight, without pulling to one side. Watch for warning signs. Spongy pedals, grinding noises, or delayed stopping. Bad brakes? Don't move the truck. Call for service immediately. Testing electrical systems. Flickering lights can hide bigger wiring issues. Here's how to test them thoroughly. Lights and signals. Walk around while a helper cycles through headlights, brake lights, and turn signals. Replace any bulbs that flicker or stay dark. Trailer connections. Unplug and replug the 7-way connector. Corrosion? Scrub it with electrical contact cleaner. Fuses and relays. Check the dashboard for blown fuses. Swap them with matching spares, never jury rig a fix. Pro tip. Carry spare bulbs and fuses. A $5 part can prevent a $500 ticket. Testing shouldn't be rushed. 10 minutes now can save hours or lives later. Maintenance best practices. Testing safety systems is only half the battle. Keeping them working long-term means sticking to smart maintenance habits. A well-maintained truck doesn't just pass inspections. It prevents roadside emergencies and keeps repair costs low. These practices are the difference between a truck that lasts and one that lets you down. Scheduled maintenance intervals. Think of maintenance like changing the batteries in a smoke detector. Skip it, and everything seems fine, until it isn't. Trailer trucks need routine care on a strict schedule. Here's what to prioritize and when. Every 3,000 to 5,000 miles. Change engine oil and rotate tires. Dirty oil wears out parts faster. Monthly. Check brake linings and air system for leaks. A small drip today can mean no brakes tomorrow. Every 6 months. Flush and refill coolant. Old coolant corrodes the engine from the inside. Yearly. Inspect suspension components. Springs, bushings, shocks. Worn parts cause uneven tire wear and shaky handling. Stick to the manufacturer's manual for exact timelines, but don't wait for warning signs. By the time a problem is obvious, damage is already done. That's all for part 1. Stay tuned for part 2, where we'll cover more advanced safety system checks and maintenance tips. Please comment, like, share, and subscribe for more automotive information like this. Thank you for watching.